this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and this is part 2 of an Aliexpress haul from part 1. Part 1 had all my baubles and bits and pieces and everything. This has got my polish that I bought. I got some Your Sugar. I got the top coat. I got 4 colors in the top coat. I got 3 colors. This one is by Lily Cute Gel Polish. This is a yellow, which is a really nice color. So, and one of these is a hollow. I've already swatched, so I'm going to show them to you. But I want to open each one of these so I can show you with the swatch sticks. I'm trying to be quick. There's no odor from the Your Sugar top coat. It's got the normal drip consistency. This is the first one, and I think this is just a stunning color. This is a pink hollow. And this is beautiful. I think it's beautiful. Let me wipe that off. It is very much true to color. I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And again, I got these off Aliexpress. Next is the green. Before I forget. The number on this is 138. I believe you can see this. The green I'm about to show you is 107. Here we go. This is a great, great, great Christmas green. I don't have my light plugged in. I need something looked awful dark here. Let me plug in the light. Sorry about that. Let there be light. Let me show you the color. This is a great Christmas green. It looks really super dark here on camera, and it's not. Let me show you the nail. This is a beautiful, beautiful Christmas green. It's way darker on camera than it really is. This is like a grass green. It's not dark. It's not that dark. It's not that dark. Next we have our hollow. This is number 123. Let me show you. This is a nice silvery hollow. It is a beautiful color. Hollow. This is 2 coats. Next we have got a beautiful, beautiful summer yellow. This would be great for a sunflower, I think. And this is, there's no number. This is the, by Lily Cute. This is a 7 ml bottle. The Your Sugars, I want to say, are the same. Oh, 7.5s. Your Sugar 7.5. Lily Cute is 7. So those are swatches for those. Next I have got a Full Beauty top coat. The top coat for this and for the Your Sugar are a no wipe. No wipe. No wipe. I love a no wipe top coat. There are 3 colors here if I could not spill them. Let's go with the orange first. The orange is number 1568. It's by Viola. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know. Well, it'll be great for fall. Absolutely. So I did top coat them. This is only 1 coat. And I did top coat with the Full Beauties from Aliexpress. They're no white top coat. Next, we have got the green, which is 1603. 1603. This is only one coat. Cyclamen green. My next culprit is the yellow, which that one I wish I would have done 2 coats. It would have been more opaque. But that is number 1602. Where am I? Here I is. So these are 5 ml. These are Modelones. I forgot the price of them, so I can't tell you. Very sorry about that. Full Beauty top coat. I can't see. I can't see. It's probably 7 ml. Yeah. It's the same size with Lily Cute. But that is our second part of our Aliexpress haul for today. I think these are beautiful choices. I'm loving, loving, loving the pink hollow. Let me go this way. I think that is just gorgeous. Let me come closer. I think that is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. That and the silver hollow. And that is 2 coats, believe it or not. That is, I think, a stunning color. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these. Do you have them? What do you think? I mean, I've never... This is my first experience with Modelones. I wish they were in bottles, to be honest, because of them getting knocked over and it becoming all yucky inside of the cat. But whatever, it is what it is. Love the Your Sugar. This is my first experience. I love Full Beauty's store on Aliexpress. They have a lot of great items for great prices, a lot of free shipping, so check that out. But I love that this is a no wipe. Definitely going to have to maybe purchase some more of this, maybe a bigger bottle. Well, that is all for today. We will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.